Welcome everyone. A good Erev Shabbos. For Erev Shabbos Cholamoid Pesach, Tavshin Pei Dalid, as we continue Mishna Yomis, learning the fourth and the fifth Mishnayos in the sixth parak of Nazir, caught up to the Mishna Yomis cycle from the calendar, as many people have been asking me about. We're sponsored by the Fisher family, Lila Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi, Shlomo ben Avraham Alevi, Peril Bas Ruvain, and Neshama should have an Aliyah. We also learn the Lila Nishmas Elchanan Bunim ben Naftali Beinish, Elimelech ben Eliezer, Lefu Shalema for Yomis Mechai Sarah, Schus of Abraham Yom Beinish ben Malki Yudis and family. We learn also dedicated by Yol Klugman and family for their Panasa, Berevach, Benachas, and everything wonderful, and Lefu Shalema for Meir ben Chai Sarah, and for my mother Esther Fadl Bas Chana. So Mishnah Dalet tells us, Nazir shoyashoyse yain kol hayoim. If a Nazir flagrantly drank wine the whole day, it was given only one hasra, one warning, ein chayev ela achas. So in such a case, he only has one set of malchus. However, Amrulay al tishta, they warn him not to drink, he drinks, al tishta, then they again warn him not to drink, vushais, and he drinks, chayiv al kol achas v'achas, he's chayiv malchus for each warning. Now this is true also for the two other prohibitions of a Nazir, as the Mishnah proceeds to explain. If he was warned once not to shave, and he shaved the whole day, he's only chayiv one set of malchus. However, if they tell him don't shave, and he shaves, he's chayiv for each time he shaves. The same thing, if he contaminated to the dead the whole day. So he only got one warning, he's only chayiv once. Amrulay al tatame, they warn him, don't become tame, he becomes tame. Then they warn him again, don't become tame. And then warn him again, vu metame, and he's metame a bunch of times. Chayiv al kol achas v'achas, he gets malchus for each time. Now, following suit, shloisha minim asurim benazir. There are three things that are asur for a nazir: hatuma, to become tamei, vatiglachas, to shave, vayotzim and agefen, and to drink that which comes out of the grape, either wine or, like we said, grape skins, grape kernels. Chaymer batuma batiblachas meriyotzim and agefen. There's a severity of tumah and shaving over that which comes from wine. Shatuma vatiglachas soisrim. Tumah and shaving cause him to lose the days that he already kept. But when it comes to wine, drinking wine doesn't make him lose the days that he already kept. There's a chumrah of drinking wine over tumah and tiglachas. What's that? When it comes to drinking wine, there are no exceptions. He's always forbidden to drink wine. The tumah v'teglachas hutru miklolo. Tumah and tiglachas have exceptions where they're mutter. B'tiglachas mitzvah, let's say he's a mitzayra, and he is doing his ritual purification, which entails shaving his hair. He does that even while he's a nazir. And over mace mitzvah, if there's a body that if there's a body that had nobody to bury it, no relatives, it's lying in the street, so that's called the mace mitzvah. So that supersedes the isser of tumah, and he could become tamei to bury a mace mitzvah. Now, the chaymer bat tumah mebetaglachas, there's a chumrah of tumah over shaving. Shatuma seiseres es hakol. When he becomes tamei, even if, let's say, he was a nazir for 100 days, and he becomes tamei on day 80, he loses all 80 days. Shatuma seiseres es hakol, and v'chayovan ala carbon. There's a special carbon to bring when he becomes tamei. A person that becomes tamei, he has to bring a set of karbanas, like an asham, while shaving only makes him lose up to 30 days. So let's say he counted 90 of his 100 days. So if he counts 90 of his 100 days, he's going to lose 20 days. Because the idea is he can't shave unless he has a growth of hair of 30 days. So he doesn't lose all 90 days. He only has to count the next 10 that he owes and another 20, because he has to have at least. So it's much different. And if he shaves, ve'ein chayav a carbon, he's not chayav on it a carbon. He just is over the lav and has to make up enough that he has 30 days of growth on his head before he shaves. I want to thank you all very much for joining us. Remind you that Daf Yomi on Motzei Shabbos is at 10. Also remind you that I will try to put on yet for the Shabbos table for Chol Hamoed Pesach. I didn't do it yet. There was very little time, but I plan on doing it, sponsored by the Rubin family. Also, we do not have a sponsor for the Isru Chag Shir on Achrei Mos. If you would like to sponsor that share, we still do not have even one sponsor. 718-916-3100. You could text me. It's a great opportunity. Or email me at rmmwsi@aol.com. Thank you for joining and have a wonderful day.